Okay, got a 6-pin Corbin Russwin from Texas Gym. Lock works pretty smooth. It's a KIK. It is locked up. Here's the bitting. Let's see if we can open this one real quick. Alright, that was 4 and 3. Two, 1, 6. Put a little more on 6 and a big false set. And it's open. I believe it was on 2 that it came open on. And as you can see, it's open. I guess picking locks just about every day at work is really helping me out here. Let's see if I can get this clip off here. Just like that. And I've been doing a lot of shimming at work, so I'm starting to get pretty good at it. You can't pick it, you shim it. And speed is the name of the game. There we go. Here's the key. All 6 key pins are there and working. Serrated. 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 And I could probably already know, yep. All six chambers in the plug are threaded. Usually when you have serrated key pins, then you know it's going to be threaded. And then when you have this at the top, usually the Bible is threaded as well. Serrated. Serrated. These are serrated, I call them serrated barrel, because they're round and it's only serrated on the top and bottom. Looks like a serrated spool to me. I'm going to move these springs, they're in my way. That one goes there. there, it's serrated. And the same on 5, a little deeper though. And different size springs. There. And yep, all of the Bible is threaded. I know you can probably see that first one there, but they're all threaded. Alright, here's this Russwin KIK from Texas Gym. Everyone, be good, be safe, be legal. Thanks for the lock, Texas Gym. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good one, guys.